Now, once the body is warmed up, stimulated with our lao hand patting, and we've really started, we really just work through several sequences of postures. So for example, we may just do a yin sequence, such as between heaven and earth. So for example, in horse stance, and then bringing in, breathing out. And as you can see, many of these postures, I'm always following the hands, and we're often rising and falling. And again, as I mentioned earlier, the breathing matches. Okay, so we're going to breathe in and out. Okay, so you're pushing out, depending on, and then squeezing and pushing out. And when we push out, we breathe out. Okay, and then rising and falling. So we're finding that the breath will match into our movements. Okay, and again, we're following the hands with the eyes. And then turning. And often these sort of movements stimulating the organs, stimulating the side body, stretching the tendons. So although they look very easy when you're actually seeing someone else do it, when you actually come to a Qigong class, you realize how quite invigorating and quite tiring it actually is, just doing these very simple movements. But the good part about Qigong and Taiji is that it's very low impact. So although the movements are invigorating and they are stimulating, they're certainly not dangerous, or you wouldn't be able to fall over or something like that. There's no real impact in any of the movements. Okay, so we can then adapt most of our sequences to people with mobility issues and so on, and they can be done by virtually all levels of practitioner.